This video, I want to talk about why men should stay away from ratchet females in the black community. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this because you got these ratchet females at that Mo3 sector. You got this one woman, which I ain't mention her name, talking about it. She want to sell pussy. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, see, that's exactly why I'll stay away from females like that. But you know, they want to call me gay because I don't want to do nothing with those type of women in the black community. Not some more loudmouth, masculine woman. Crazy? See, this is exactly why I said this before. I will not be dealing with some old ratchet woman in the black community. I refuse to. That's why they keep coming on my channel calling me gay, calling me lame, stupid, slow, all this type of dumbass stuff. Sally, you got the same dudes calling me gay too, calling me Galen. Okay, whatever, because I don't want nothing to do with these ratchet females. But you know what? Go ahead and call me gay if you want to. All I gotta do is just block you and then delete your comment. That's it. But you want to shame me for not dating these type of women. I'm like, man, you hate black women. You don't like black women. Oh, your mother is black. All this stupid ass stuff. But Sally, you got the sim dudes with defend these type of women. No, damn well. They're ratchet as hell. They do some ratchet stuff like selling pussy and etc. We live in this Megan Thee Stallion City Girls, Shuki Hunter, Nualo, you know it. But yeah, still though, you got these women in the black community don't want to call this shit out. This is sad. But I give props for other black women for calling stuff out. But sadly, they get attacked. For example, Chantel Simone, the Chris McCure, and them other females who speak about this ratchet culture, they get attacked too. They getting death threats, getting attacked by these same women who act like ratchet females. And that's exactly why I said this before. This ratchet culture gotta stop, man. But you know what? I don't want to hear nothing I have to say. So, tell me your thoughts about this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'm out. Peace. And make sure you hit the notification bell when I go live, because I'm hearing people are complaining that they're not getting notification because YouTube, they on some bullshit right now. So, but I already know this video gonna get flagged for hate speech because I'm saying stuff is true. Sorry to say, I'm out. Peace. Also, one more thing. If you come on my channel, call me Galen, calling me slow, I'm just gonna block you and delete your comment, and that's it. You won't come back, okay? Just give you a warning. Alright? So with that, I'm out. Peace.